everyone, I'm just making this video to help you through your Invisalign treatment during this COVID-19 pandemic. Hopefully you're all staying at home sensibly and avoiding any non-essential trips out. So as you know, most dental practices are now closed except for emergencies. So we will be unable to see you as regularly as we normally would like. This means you do need to take extra care with your Invisalign, making sure you're wearing it properly and cleaning them, looking after them. If you are in the middle of Invisalign treatment and you don't have enough aligners to last you, well, we don't know how long this will go on for, you can wear each one for longer. So instead of wearing for 7 days each, wear it for 10 days, 14 days, just to make each aligner last longer. We may be able to send some aligners out to you. I have seen most of you already and given you a fair few aligners to get you through. So the most important thing to remember is to wear it for 22 hours a day. So that means wearing it literally all day. You're only taking it out for your main meals and cleaning your teeth. So that means no snacking at all. If you're snacking, you're probably not going to be wearing it for the full correct time. So take it out for main meals. When it's out for your meals, drink whatever you want, but in between meals, when you're wearing the Invisalign, stick to water is best. So drink plenty of water, keep your mouth hydrated, which will also help keep it healthy, and avoid any sugary drinks while you're wearing the Invisalign. Now, if you must have tea and coffee, you need to let it cool down so that it's not hot. You can drink certain drinks through a straw as well. Now, when you take it out to clean, you need to make sure you're brushing them thoroughly as well. So clean your own teeth as you would normally, brushing, flossing, and then cleaning the inside of the Invisalign. So you need to use like a soft brush and just gently clean the inside of the Invisalign to remove any plaque or anything on the inside of the aligners. So that needs to be done every single day. So ideally do that at night time. You may also find it picks up some stains. You can use some special cleaners. So there are some cleaning crystals from Invisalign which you will have got in your kit. And I also do provide my patients with samples of the retainer bright. So you can buy this from Amazon and they do work quite well. So what you do is you get one of these tablets, put it in a glass of water and it will start fizzing. Now while it's fizzing, you pop your aligner in the glass and you just leave it to work for 15 minutes, and then after that give it a rinse and you can put them straight back in. Okay. You don't want to leave it in there for a very long time. Another thing that you can use, which I really like, is this, which is the Ever Smile White Foam. So this is a foam that you pop on the inside of the aligners. You can leave it just in there for like 10-15 minutes to disinfect, so it just cleans it, kills bacteria, also removes any stains on them. And you can also pop it in there and take off some of the excess and then put it straight in the mouth, and that will help keep your teeth and fresh as well. So this, I'm not sure, you probably can get this from Amazon. I do have a few left in stock, so if you do want one, just let me know and I can get that posted to you. Some of the issues that you can get with the Invisalign is some aligners sometimes it's a bit sharp or rough. You can use like a nail file or emery board just to smooth that so that it doesn't rub on your cheeks or your gums. And you can also get this gel, it's called ginger gel. This is really good for any ulcers in the mouth, any sores in the mouth. It does give you relief, so use this. You can get this from Boots online or Amazon online. Again, I have a few in stock, so I can supply these as well. Right, making sure when you're wearing Invisalign that you're still using the chewies, these things. So with these chewies, what you do is once your Invisalign is in, put these in between your teeth and you squeeze your teeth together and just do that around the mouth. Now what that will do will help the aligners seat, which means that to make your treatment more effective. So they do make a big difference to the success of the treatment. So it needs to be done daily. So ideally do it every time you put your aligners in, but if you could, do it in between as well. So what I do normally recommend is while you're watching TV, just chew on those, okay, for 5 minutes. I think that's everything. Hopefully I've not missed anything out, but Oh, actually, yes. Now, if you come to the end of your aligner treatment, so you've finished all the aligners, you're on the last set, and you've worn it for a full 2 weeks, then, and you're not able to come in to see us because we're still closed, then keep wearing that aligner. Okay, just keep wearing that aligner, look after it, make sure it doesn't break. But you need to wear it for a full 2 weeks, and then after that you could wear it at night time just to maintain it, to hold the teeth in position so it doesn't move. So it'll act like a retainer. If that does break, then let your dentist know. We can order another set of a replacement one if that happens, but usually if you look after them, they will be absolutely fine. I think that's everything. Hopefully that's been useful. If you've got any questions, then leave me a comment below. I will try to answer them. And stay safe, everyone, and we'll hopefully see you all soon. Bye!